Question 1. Which soil microorganisms are sensitive to soil heat during fire? Option D. All. Nitrifiers, endomycorrhizae and ectomycorrhizae. Question 2. What is humification? Option A. Provide energy for soil microorganisms to improve soil health. Question 3. Dash is used to understand soil microbial metabolism. Answer. Carbon use efficiency. Question 4. Which fungal organ is most resistant against microbial decomposition? Option A. Hyphae. Question 5. Soil microorganisms are grouped on the basis of option D. All. Size, shape and function. Question 6. What is the role of soil microorganism? Option D. All. Enhance soil structure, maintain soil quality, and involve in disease transmission and control. Question 7. Which of the following parameters most strongly affect soil microorganism? Option B. pH. Question 8. In soil, member of species are visible to naked eye is called option A. Macrofauna, like worm, ants, beetle, which are visible to naked eyes. Question 9. Which of the following sentences are true about mesofauna? Option D. All. Live within soil pores, feeding on organic material and microarthropods. Question 10. Dash is live in soil water films and feed on microflora. Option C. Microfauna. Question 11. Which of the following substances are produced by decomposition of organic matter? Option D. All. Amino acid, humic acid and organic acid are produced by decomposition of organic matter. Question 10. In which condition decomposition of organic matter done by bacteria? Option B. Anaerobic bacteria. Question 30. Which of the following deficiency of plant nutrients has a negative impact on soil? Option C. Both. Deficiency of nitrogen and low soil organic matter. Question 14. Which of the following is a common soil fungi? Option A. Penicillium. Question 15. Which of the following are plant growth promoting activities of penicillin? Option D. All. A. Phosphate solubilization, production of siderophore. Siderophore is an iron chelating compound, so plant can use iron. And C. Plant growth regulators. Question 16. What is soil health? The soil health concept proposed by Durant 2002. Answer. Capacity of living soil function within ecosystem boundary to sustain plant and animal productivity, maintain water and air quality and promote plant health. 17. Mycorrhizal association can protect plant from option B. Soil-borne pathogen. Question 18. What is the role of rule exudates? Option D. All. To improve plant growth, provide nutrients to plant and provide favorable environment for soil microbes. Question 19. In rhizosphere, cell lysate are present in option B. cortex cell. 20. When cell lysate are released from the cortex cell, option D. All. Microbial grazing, fungal infection and mechanical damage cause the cell lysate to release from the cortex cell. 21. What is the meaning of rhizodeposition? Option D. All. A. All material lost from the plant roots, secretion of insoluble materials and water removal. 22. What is the role of organic acid in root exudates? Option A. Solubilization. 23. Flavonoids is a bioactive compound which is released by option A. legume roots. Flavonoid is used to attract rhizobia. 24. Microbial biomass that is produced for human or animal consumption is referred to as option A single cell protein. 25. Which of the following methods are used for measure microbial biomass? Option A chlorophore fumigation extraction method. In this method, microorganisms killed by ethanol-free chloroform after killing live microbial cell release carbon which determine the microbial biomass. 26. In soil, which organic matter does not decompose by microorganism? Option A humus. 27. Which of the following properties of humus are true? Question option D all. Buffering capacity, improve texture and structure of soil and increase water holding capacity. 28. Which of the following bacteria are found in soil? Option D all. Autotrophs and heterotrophs, mesophiles and thermophiles. 29. Which of the following constituent of plants are decomposed by fungi? Option D all. Lignin, pectin and cellulose are constituent of plants decomposed by fungi. 13. Which bacteria play key role in rock plant succession? Option A cyanobacteria.